Hopefully you haven't given up on your New Year's resolution to get in shape, because I'm going to be showing you a new alternative fitness class offered here in Manhattan. Today I'm going to be shadowing a bungee cardio class at Little Apple Pilates, and later on I'll be showing you how to make a healthy snack if you're trying to avoid fast food. But first, let's go check out the class. I heard that this is the only studio in the state of Kansas that has a bungee cardio class. How did you get interested in this?
We do aerials, so we were always up off of our feet anyways. And one of the clients had said, "Hey, I saw this. Would you consider bringing this here?" And we already had all the supplies we needed, so I just went and got formally trained in Los Angeles. When you go to do something new or do something familiar, just try to have fun with it, because then you'll want to do it, and then you're open to all the benefits of it instead of thinking that you have to perform or be something. So
yeah, I love that fitness can actually be fun. I think that's what your studio really brings to us. So bungee cardio is not my best fitness regimen, but I'm going to be making you guys a recipe that I think is going to knock it out of the park. I'm going to be making you a vegan cake for one. It is flour-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, you name it. Super healthy, and it only has 3 ingredients. So I actually made one earlier so I could show you guys the end result, and I'm just going to pop it out of the oven real quick. So this is what it should look like. As you can see, I put a little bit of pecans on top because I just wanted to add it to the decor. I decided to try a little taste and see how it turned out. All right, it's a little crumbly, but it's okay. That's delicious. It tastes very healthy. I would definitely recommend it to my friends and family. Well, thank you so much for following me today on my fitness journey through my bungee cardio class and trying my new vegan recipe. In Manhattan, Kansas, I'm Amelia Andrews with MHK All Day. Bungee cardio classes are held from 3:30 to 4:30 on Wednesdays and Fridays at Little Apple Pilates.